Leave no trace is a set of important principles to follow whenever you venture outdoors. They were created to encourage visitors entering natural habitats to enjoy an area while limiting their impact. With over 60 million people a year entering national parks in Canada and millions more venturing through provincial parks, this kind of traffic takes its toll on the environment. Trail erosion, garbage, polluted ecosystems, campfire impact, souvenirs being removed from nature, and animals accustomed to humans are some of the many issues we are facing. To appreciate beautiful landscapes, we all need to learn to leave outdoors as unchanged as possible. So we want to encourage that all hikers practice the following behaviors to help preserve and protect wildlands and recreation areas. Here are our leave no trace principles to follow while hiking. Leave flowers, trees, dead wood where you find them. Always look around you for garbage or equipment that might have been left behind. Pack out all food and garbage, even if it's not yours. Use small amounts of biodegradable soap when cleaning. Use a sub hole for liquids and as a toilet. It needs to be at least 70 meters away from any water source. Burn or pack out any used toilet paper. In permitted areas, minimize the wood you use in fire pits. Then break down coals after use and extinguish with water. Stay on designated paths so you don't create additional walkways. Avoid places where human impact is beginning to show. Respect wildlife, keep your distance, and do not feed them under any circumstances. If you bring your pet, control them at all times and pack out all of their waste. Do not remove or disturb any natural objects. Respect everyone on the trail, in campsites, and in other people's requirement of solitude and quiet. Our presence in nature changes the environment, so be curious and educate yourself to minimize your impact while you're out on your next hike. We are the Artistry of Adventure, and we want to spark your creativity to help you experience adventure. Stay connected, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel for more great advice and inspiration. Now get out there and face the elements.